Meet the Atretochoana, one of the most bizarre and fascinating creatures of the Amazon. Also known as the penis snake, this aquatic amphibian is actually a legless caecilian. Atretochoana can grow up to 32 inches long and is completely aquatic, thriving in the murky waters of the Amazon basin. Unlike most amphibians, it has no lungs and breathes through its skin, an adaptation for its underwater lifestyle. This elusive creature spends much of its time hidden in the riverbed, making it rarely seen by humans. Mysterious, rare, and incredibly unique, the Atretochoana is one of the Amazon's most intriguing inhabitants.